Okay, so in this video we will look at comparison operators in Python. So my Python folder that I created on my desktop has already been selected, and these files are already inside. So I want to create a new file for my comparison operators. Okay, so new file, I name it comparison operators. Comparison operators.py. Okay, comparison operators.py. Then I press enter. Okay, so now my comparison operators file has been created. Okay, so we will look at the comparison operators in Python. Okay, the first one is equal, and equal here means the same. The equal I mean here is, or it means the same. Okay, we have the equal, and equal, I put it, so the equal, we use equal. This is how it is written, equal. So when you are coding, you have to use equal when you are comparing things. For example, so example, okay, I can say 5 is the same as 3 plus 2. Okay, so this is one example of how the comparison operator equal is used. Okay, so 5 is equal to, or 5 is the same as 3 plus 2. Okay, and then the next operator is not equal. Not equal. Okay, and that one is written as exclamation sign and then the equal sign, one equal sign. Okay, example is like, you can see 5 is not equal to, or 5 is not the same as 2 plus 2. Okay, 5 is not the same as 2 plus 2. Okay, so that is how the not equal is used. And then the next operator is less than. Okay, which is this. Okay, so example, you can say 5 is less than 10. Okay, so 5 is less than 10. And the second and the next operator is greater than. Okay, greater than, and then that one example is 5 is greater than 4. Okay, and the next is less than or equal to. Less than or equal to. Okay. And that one is less than or equal to, like this. So example, for example, 5 is less than or equal to 6. Okay. 5 is less than or equal to 6. And the next one, which is the last one, is greater than or equal to. Greater than or equal to, which is greater than or equal to, reading like this. Then example of how it is used. You can say 5 is greater than or equal to 4. Okay, so we have these comparison operators in Python. The first one is equal, which means the same, and the symbol is two equal signs, equal. An example is 5 equal 3 plus 2, which means 5 is the same as 3 plus 2. And then not equal. Example, 5 is not equal to 2 plus 2. Or 5 is not the same as 2 plus 2. And then less than. Example, 5 is less than 10. And then greater than. Example, 5 is greater than 4. And then less than or equal to. Example, 5 is less than or equal to 6. Then greater than or equal to. Example, 5 is greater than or equal to 4. So these are also the comparison operators in Python. Share this video with others, and also like, comment, and follow us for more videos. You can also visit our website for our complete online IT training courses. Have a wonderful day.